Vehicle applications. 2013 to 2016 Dodge Dart, 2.4L, 2.0L 1.4L. Double maximum protection. FRAM automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with FRAM engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Smoother horsepower performance. Extra guard filter is designed to clean up exhaust so that the engine is less likely clogged by dirt. With a cleaner output, the engine is able to function efficiently, leading to a smoother and higher horsepower. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, extra guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. FRAM extra guard air filters are engineered with an advanced filter media that has been through rigorous testing and have been proven to provide 2x the engine protection than the average leading standard retail brand air filter. 12,000 miles change intervals helps prevent decreased acceleration and horsepower while helping improve overall performance. FRAM Engineering Laboratories defines the air filter category by providing a clear choice over other filters. Follow recommended change intervals as noted in your vehicle's owner's manual. Based on FRAM group testing of filter efficiency of models CA14309, CA8755A, CA8039, CA326 and California 6479 and their standard retail brand equivalent under ISO 5011. Top reviews from the United States. This is an air filter. It filters air in your car engine. It filters it very well, much better than you could with your bare hands. If you enjoy filtration, this is your filter.